Restoring DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a straightforward process that can help you recover your data in case of an emergency. To start, log into your DigitalOcean account and navigate to the control panel. From there, click on the droplet you want to restore and select the Backups option from the drop-down menu. In the Backups section, you will see a list of available backups for your droplet. Each backup is labeled with a timestamp and a description of the backup type. To restore a backup, click on the Restore button next to the desired backup. DigitalOcean will then prompt you to confirm that you want to restore the backup. Please note that restoring a backup will overwrite all data on your droplet. So make sure to only restore backups to a droplet that you are willing to overwrite. Once you have confirmed that you want to restore the backup, DigitalOcean will begin the restoration process. This process can take several minutes to complete, depending on the size of your droplet and the speed of your internet connection. While the restoration process is taking place, you can monitor the status of the restore from the droplet dashboard. Once the restore is complete, your droplet will be restarted and you will be able to access it as normal. It is also possible to restore a backup to a new droplet, rather than overwriting an existing one. To do this, click on the Create drop-down menu at the top of the DigitalOcean control panel and select Droplet. Then, click on the Restore from Backup option and select the backup you want to restore. DigitalOcean will then create a new droplet with the same configuration as the original droplet, and restore the backup to the new droplet. This can be a useful option if you want to test a backup before restoring it to your live droplet, or if you want to create a duplicate of your droplet for development or testing purposes. In conclusion, restoring DigitalOcean Droplet backups is a simple and effective way to recover your data in case of an emergency. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily restore your droplet to a previous state, or create a new droplet from a backup. Remember to always test your backups regularly to ensure that they are working correctly, and to store them in a safe and secure location.